And News Channel 3's Caitlin Thrope leads us off tonight from Rancho Mirage with how this latest surge in cases is affecting some of our local hospitals. Caitlin.
Well, Eisenhower Health tells me they are putting their surge plans in place. I also spoke with Desert Regional, who says they feel prepared for a surge, but they will ramp up staff if need be.
Going into the holiday season in the position we are right now is really the worst case scenario that anyone ever really talked about.
As coronavirus cases double in the state, here in the Coachella Valley, Eisenhower Health says they are seeing the same trend at their hospital.
About 10 days ago, we really saw a sudden uptick in the number of cases here, where we basically doubled the number of cases and actually continued to go up even a little higher than that.
There are currently 33 coronavirus patients at Eisenhower. The hospital says they are seeking more staff ahead of the holiday season.
Because this is now a nationwide epidemic that's spread throughout the country, and we know that we see on the news every single night all of the hospitals around the country just being strapped to their capacities. They're going through the same thing in terms of trying to find additional staffing. So it's really become essentially a bidding war now, looking for additional staff to help.
He says it's unlikely the military will be helping out like they did over the summer, but they are receiving more nurses through Cal State San Bernardino. The makeshift field hospital at the Indio Fairgrounds remains ready for overflow if needed. But Riverside County Public Health says right now they are not adding staff there or to the fairgrounds testing facility.
We are working on a plan right now where we're going to be making some changes and adding some locations because we are soon going to be adding the self-testing capability.
Dr. Williamson says we need to continue to hunker down and says it's critical to avoid COVID fatigue.
There is hope that we will get through this before too much longer, but unfortunately there's still another 4 to 5, 6 months that we need to really just practice good basic public health measures until we can get that vaccine out and really distribute it into the community.
And Dr. Williamson also told me we can expect to see late spring, early summer when most people will be able to get vaccinated. I also heard from the county that they will be releasing more information later this week on more testing sites and self-testing. So be sure you stay with us here on News Channel 3 for those updates. Reporting live in Rancho Mirage, I'm Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.